Hello everyone, I'm David. Welcome back to another exciting video. In today's video, we're going to look at how we can make all colors vanish by just spinning them. Yes, it's actually science, but before we begin, adult supervision will be required because safety is our top priority. For this experiment, we shall need a cardboard, piece of paper, glue stick, pair of scissors or a cutter, and then some color crayons, a compass, a pencil from a mathematical set, a motor, batteries, crocodile clips, and then a glue gun. Alright, so using a compass and a pencil, I'll draw a circle of any size on my piece of paper. Just like that. And then I'll draw another circle of a similar size on another piece of paper. And I'll do the same for the cardboard. Alright, so we're now going to use a cutter to make a cutout of the circular shape we made on all our pieces. So this is the part where the children who are trying this out will need adult supervision. So you need to be careful not to cut yourself. And that's it. We have our circular cardboard. So we're going to do the same for the papers. Using a pencil and this ruler, I'm going to make an X shape through all our circular shapes. Then I can go on to add in maybe one line through the center of the circle. So I'll do this for all the other shapes as well. Using a glue stick, I will attach my circular papers onto the cardboard. So put the second one, put some glue on it, and then attach it onto the cardboard. So it's time for us to color the different sections of our circular disc with these color crayons. I'll color my circular disc in that same order: red, orange, yellow, green, blue, and then put some violet. Be sure to color evenly and brightly. The smoother and more vibrant your colors are, the better the results you will get when it spins. And it's now time for us to power up our circular disc. And for this particular part, we're going to need a motor, some crocodile clips, batteries, and then a glue gun. So we're going to attach our circular disc to the shaft of this motor. Using this pencil, I'll widen the center of my circular disc so that the shaft of this motor will be able to fit in. Now that we have our motor attached to the circular disc, we're going to secure it using this glue gun. Now we're going to let it cool and harden so as we have a firm grip. So now that our motor is firm enough, get our crocodile clips and connect them to the motor. And then from the motor, I'll connect this other one to the battery terminals. Then I'll get another clip and so before I connect to the battery, I'll have to hold my circular disc to see what happens when I complete my circuit by connecting this other clip to the battery. As our disc spins, you're able to observe that all the colors are blending to form a white blur. And this is called the reverse rainbow effect, where all the rainbow colors merge to form white light. And that's it, our very own Newton's disc in action. This classic experiment created by Sir Isaac Newton still teaches us today that light is actually made up of very many colors. And this is the same science behind the rainbows we see in the sky that are actually formed from that same white light being split by spherical droplets of rain into its different colors. And it's the same science behind the colors that you are able to see on the screens of your devices. So Sir Isaac Newton created this circular disc to prove that white light isn't just plain, but in other words, it's made up of very many colors combined together. Thank you for joining us today. If you enjoyed this activity, give it a like, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe. Till we meet again,